Describe how the distance of the function r of theta equals 2 cos theta behaves on the interval 0 to 4 pi. Well, I know this is polar. I don't want to view it that way. I'm going to view it as a regular old equation. All right, so 2 cos theta is going to look like u, right? Period is 2 pi, so 2 pi. Here's regular pi, bottoms out. Bottoms out, since that is 2 at -2, peaks out at +2. Now, between 0, and by the way, this is half a pi, so this would be 1/4 of a pi. So from 0 to 1/4 of a pi, we're decreasing. We're going down. I meant to draw that in black. So viewing this as a polar coordinate, if my dot is moving closer to the x-axis, that means my distance decreases. And so it's going to decrease from 2 to, I guess, pi or root 2. Now let's see where they get the root 2 from. So, I mean, I'm assuming we just plug in pi over 4. So 2 cosine pi over 4. The cosine of pi over 4 is the x value of pi over 4, so that's root 2 over 2. So that's 2 times root 2 over 2. So that simplifies out to root 2. That's interesting.